Hey guys, thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to show you how to face paint this spider. It's super quick and very effective. Now, I've just sprayed my Dauber with some water and I'm going to load this pretty Neon Nirvana split cake. I'm going to begin by dabbing on the paint with my Dauber. You don't get it all there in the one go, that's fine. You can just go ahead and dab some more. Now I'm not lifting when I'm dabbing, I'm just going in there and pushing into the onto the skin. Just going to load up some black with my number 2 round brush, and this is what we're going to use for the line work. So I'm just going to go ahead and outline. So one stroke down and another stroke curving right down, and the spider's going to have a little tail, let's say. Now we're going to make the spider's head. And then join the middle like that. Now the spider's legs are all going to start from between the body and the head. So to begin, I'll do one stroke coming inward, one stroke from thick to thin coming upward, and then ending with a brush stroke going right above the spider's head. Thick to thin, thick to thin, and then thick to thin. And another leg, and then a brush stroke up, and then another one pointing to the same direction. So they're all going to end up pointing to the center. From thick to thin, from thick to thin upwards, and then from thick to thin. For the second last leg, I'm just going to do a really small brush stroke in. This is going to be quite a large stroke out with the brush stroke coming in. So quite a large one coming out, and then one coming right in like that. For the last leg, I'm just going to bring a brush stroke right in here. And right here, we're using the very tip of our brush. A long one right here. And this is going to, the last one's just going to frame it right to the bottom. So a super long one right here coming through. And then finishing off with thick to thin framing the whole spider. Now just using the same number 2 brush, I've gone ahead and loaded it with some white, and I'm just going to do a little teardrop coming downward to resemble a little C. And that's pretty much all you need to do for this spider. If you had time, you could go ahead and work out the center of the spider and then bring out some strokes outward like that, and draw a little spider web, very rough spider web here. You could add to that there you have it, a cool little spider. So if you have time, you can add the webs obviously, but just as the spider is pretty effective. So have fun recreating this. Thanks for watching. If you got something out of this, make sure that you give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any face painting related questions or you need something that you need clarified, make sure you comment down below and I'll do my absolute best to share my knowledge with you in the next video. I'm on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. Don't forget to follow me so we don't miss each other for the next one. Until next time, happy painting.